I have a LG gas dryer that was converted to LP. In the conversion kit instructions, it has you adjust the regulator screw all the way down. My dryer is working but sounds like a blowtorch. Is this normal?
Do you know the model of your LG dryer? How old is it?
It's brand new DLGX4201B.
How long has this been going on with your LG dryer? What have you tried so far?
It was just hooked up, I haven't tried anything yet. Wasn't sure if it was normal or old gas dryer didn't sound like a torch.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
I use the LG 383 EL 3002D conversion kit.
Hi, my name is Will try to help you with your question. You replace the NAT gas orifice with the LP orifice and just turn the regulator down center down so the nut is touching, do not over tighten.
Hi. That is what I did. It is working, just sounds like a torch. Much louder than my last dryer.
Yes, it does sound loud.
That's normal.
Yes.
Okay. That's unsettling.
Okay.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.